This is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment. Today we will discuss one important concept. It is nitrogen cycle, student. As you know, in the atmosphere there are the different gases are found like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and with carbon dioxide there is another gases are also found like helium, argon. There are the different gases are found. But the nitrogen is the gas that is found in the high concentration in the environment. And what is its percentage, student? Its percentage is 78%. But we are unable, means the plants or the animals are unable to take the atmospheric nitrogen. So what they do, they take it indirectly. And this nitrogen, means atmospheric nitrogen, is recycled with the help of one chain, student, and that particular chain is completed with the help of nitrogen cycle. Like the plants and animals are unable to take directly the atmospheric nitrogen, so what they do, some atmospheric nitrogen is fixed with the help of the lightning, student. Means generally at the time of the rain we have the thunder and the lightning. So due to that lightning, that nitrogen that is found in the environment or the atmosphere, it is fixed in the ground or in the soil in the form of nitrogen oxide. It is fixed into the soil. And with this, some nitrogen is also come in the form of rain, student. Like we use the fossil fuels, and fossil fuels release the nitrogen oxide. That nitrogen oxide react with the water vapor, and what they form nitric acid. So some nitrogen is come in the form of nitric acid to the ground. With this, there are some living organisms, especially the blue-green algae, Azotobacter, Rhizobium. What they do, they are able to take the nitrogen directly, and what they do, they fix that in the ground. And with this, nitrogen is also fixed artificially in the industry, student. And in the industries, that nitrogen, means the atmospheric nitrogen, is used to prepare the fertilizers. And those fertilizers have the nitrogen in them. Like there is one fertilizer that is known as urea. So that urea is also prepared with the help of nitrogen, student. And what is the formula of the urea? NH2CONH2. So with this process, the nitrogen, means the atmospheric nitrogen, is fixed into the ground. Now from the grounds, all the plants take that nitrogen to form the protoplasm in them. Means the cells have the cytoplasm, and in the cytoplasm there is one fluid like medium is found, student. That fluid like medium have the protein as well as water, and protein is mainly composed of nitrogen with the help of amino acids. So that nitrogen that is fixed into the ground or the soil is taken by the plants. Now from the plants, it is taken by the animals. Like we also take the nitrogen via plant, student. And from which plants we take the nitrogen in the form of protein? It is the leguminous plant, student. Leguminous plant like the pulses plants or the gram plants. With the help of those pulses or the gram, what we take the protein, and what the proteins have the amino acid, and those amino acids are composed by nitrogen, student. And those protein or the nitrogen containing substance make the enzymes, hormones, amino acid, nucleic acid in our body. Now when those plants and animals are died, at that time their nitrogen or their body protein is decomposed with the help of bacteria, and that process is known as denitrification. Means protein is decomposed in the form of nitrous oxide, ammonia, and it is again released into the environment. Means in the form of ammonia gas or the nitrogen oxide gas, it is again released in the environment. So in this way, the complete nitrogen cycle is taken place, means the completion of the nitrogen cycle take place. So it is about the nitrogen cycle, student. Now nitrogen is found in the two forms. Yes, in the higher classes you will read about it. First is in the environment or in the atmosphere it is found, or in the soil it is found in the form of inorganic form, student, like nitrogen, nitrous oxide, nitrates, nitrites, and nitric acid. It is inorganic form. But in the living organisms, it is found in the form of protein, enzymes, hormones, nucleic acids, and nucleotides. It is organic form. Or what is the organic form, student? When the nitrogen is combined with the carbon compounds, then those chemical compounds are known as organic compounds, student. So nitrogen is found in the two forms in the environment. Like here also, when the plants and the animals are died, then their body is decomposed with the help of the bacteria or the fungi. Now that some amount of that nitrogen is form the humus of the soil, student. What they form? They form the humus, and that humus provide the nutrients, and that humus particular layer is also known as manure. Means due to the decomposition of the plants and animals we get the manure, and those manure also have the nitrogen in them. And that nitrogen is taken by the plants, and from the plants it is taken by the animals, and from the plants and animals when they are died, then again that is released into the environment. So in this way the whole nitrogen cycle is completed. So it is about the nitrogen cycle, student. Now you will try to learn this important topic in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.